Welcome to Cooking Home Time. Sometimes, the best moments in life don't happen outside, they happen right here, in your kitchen. Let's take a little break from the busy world and make something warm, simple, and full of love. Today, we're cooking one of those dishes that always feels like home: creamy garlic butter chicken. A bit of garlic, a touch of butter, a spoon of cream. It's not just food, it's comfort, a reminder that happiness can come from the simplest things. Cooking isn't about perfection. It's about patience, kindness, and care. Every sound, every smell, every small moment, it all adds up to something beautiful. You don't need fancy tools or rare ingredients. You just need heart and time. When you finally take that first bite, it's not just food, it's a memory, a feeling, a little piece of home. Because here, at Cooking Home Time, we believe every meal made with love is something truly wonderful. Yellow heart.